Hey friends, if the app and browser control option is missing in Windows 11 security, then please watch this video. So if I open Windows security and open Windows security, we have app and browser control here. But if you do not find it, here's an alternate path. I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. Simply press Windows plus R to open the run window, paste it here and hit enter. This will open the app and browser control window. The next one is to reset and repair Windows security. And how would you do that? So for that, you will have to search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and click on app settings. Scroll down, first click on terminate, then click on repair, and then click on reset, and then on reset once again. The last option is to delete the corrupt file associated with it. The path is C drive, Windows, System 32, and Security Health. So we'll simply press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. We'll go to this path and hit enter. Right click on this folder, the 10.0. All of this one, and select delete. Click on delete once again. Okay, we'll need system permissions for this. So once this is deleted, we can restart our computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.